We will now attempt to demonstrate the installation of the auto slack saver on the older style ABAs where the locator tab does not rotate rearward as far as the new style. The first step is to remove the locator pin. Move your nut, pull the pin in, rotate it back as far as possible. Using a small pry bar, pop out the old bushing and pin assembly, removing it. Install the new pin at this time. It will take a little maneuvering. Slide it forward, engaging in the slot. Install the nut loosely at this time. Taking the half of the auto slack saver which is tapped with the words patent pending facing the outside, slide the inner half over the tab and onto the pin. Take your outer half with the words patent pending to the outside, placing them over the pin, holding them together with a couple fingers. Install your screws. It may be hard to see with my hands in the way. With the pin loose and the slack savers loose, wiggle till it is centered in the tab. Snug the retaining screws. Taking a 1/4 inch ratchet assembly works good. Alternately tighten the retaining screws. With this step complete, you can now finish tightening the pin assembly. Then you may tighten the brake adjustment according to manufacturer's spec. Your installation is now complete.